Hey guys, I'm Barry with Empty Hammock. This is my buddy Luke. We've been working together all weekend on each other's houses. Yesterday we got my roof coated. Then we went to his house and got his roof finished coating. And then worked on the chicken coop out at his place. And then today, what are we doing? We're
Plumbing.
doing plumbing, rough-in plumbing for the bathroom, and then try to get some sheetrock done. So I like the way this works. I help him, he helps me. We get stuff done. So here we go. So the idea here is to not have any connections under the house whatsoever. All of the different places in my house that have water goes from the water heater at that manifold all the way to the actual appliance. Hot and cold is their own lines all the way through. No connections under the house, no possibility of leaks. I like that idea. Okay, pull back the other way. Well, we got the plumbing roughed in, insulated, sheetrock. That was what I was hoping to do in here today. Luke's already taken off. I'm gonna go mow the lawn now. Forgot I have to put it back together. I just recently had to replace the tire because I ran over a nail. It used to be that I would make fun of people that bagged their grass back when I lived in town, but now I actually like collecting it because I can put it on my garden. I used to always just mulch it. This bagger is not designed for this mower. I sort of modified it to make it work. This is the chute for the bagger, and like I said, it wasn't designed for this mower, but it's HDPE, high density polyethylene, so it's very easy to melt. I actually just took my heat gun, heated it up, and melted it to the right shape so that I could put it down on the deck and then latch it in place. So it's definitely cobbled together, but you know what, it works, and I got the bagger really cheap. I just had to modify it.